Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Loklok on your Google TV. So you cannot find it on Play Store, so what you need to do is follow these steps. First, on Google TV, go to Settings and then System, then About, and then click Android TV OS Build or Build, and then press on it 7 times to enable developer option. Don't quit pressing until you see on the screen developer option enabled, and then go to Settings, Apps, Security and Restriction, or Special App Access, and then install unknown apps. Allow it for the app you will use in next step, and then install downloader by AFTV News if you don't have it already from the Play Store on Google TV, and then open the downloader. In the URL box, use the official TV download page instruction provided by Loklok, and then they describe downloading the TV APK inside downloader. And then when the APK finishes downloading, choose install and then press on open, and that's it. Here's a tip. If you don't want to use downloader, another common way is to send files on TV. Send the APK from your phone to the TV and then install it, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.